Welcome back. Today I'm going to be making peanut butter breakfast cookies. So no more granola bars from the grocery store. You can make your own. It makes a great breakfast on the go or even as an after school snack. So while you're getting your ingredients mixed up, heat your oven to 350 degrees. So we'll get started with half a cup of peanut butter. Peanut butter never comes out of the thing easily. Quarter cup of brown sugar. Two tablespoons of coconut oil, melted. And then you're going to use a hand mixer, or if you have a stand mixer that you're using, you're just going to mix that until it's all blended. We're going to stir in 1 egg. We want half a teaspoon of baking soda. Sorry, I'm looking off my recipe because I don't know this one off my heart. Okay. So the recipe that I use calls for flaxseed meal, but right now I don't have that, so I'm going to be using whole chia seeds, which is a good substitute for that, if I can get in the bag. So it's going to be 2 tablespoons of that. We need 3/4 of a cup of quick oats. And we will need half a cup of flour. So mix that together. And now this is optional if you want to add in 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. It does make the recipe nicer. Add in a little bit more if you want. It's going to be very crumbly. I don't know if you can see that. And that's okay. Okay, so once you have it nice and mixed, you're going to take if you have a cookie dough scoop or an ice cream scoop, you can use that. Scoop in, kind of round it out, just so it kind of sticks together. I have a pan with some parchment paper on there. Place your dough. Now these are not going to expand, so you can put them pretty close together if you just want to use one pan. Alright, so I did a few there, kind of see. And you're going to take a fork and just press down on them lightly. So they're pretty fragile until you cook them, and when you take them out of the oven, you're gonna let them cool on the pan. Don't take them off the pan until they're pretty well cooled down, because if you take them off too early, they need to sit on the pan to like set. If you take it off, they're going to almost fall apart on you. So completely cool them after they're out and enjoy. If any of them fall apart when you're pressing down with your fork, just kind of mold them back together. So we're gonna put those in for 9 to 11 minutes, just until the bottoms start to get golden. And they're done.